Y'all, come on in, because we got some money to make today. I have been waiting to do this video, okay? Furry sleeves and all, I have been waiting to make this video because I am going to be talking about my favorite fall products. Like my favorite fall products. Fall is one of my favorite seasons. I'm a fall baby, by the way. And this is the time to make money, okay? This is the time where you can sell the hoodies, you can sell the more expensive products. And the products, my favorite products, by the way, that I'm gonna be talking about, I know for a fact people are making six figures, okay? On TikTok Shop, on Amazon, on Etsy, on their own Shopify, okay? I know that people are making six figures from these, so I had to come, because I love y'all. I had to come to help you to create these products today. All right, so I'm gonna do a part 1 and part 2 to this video so that I can really walk you through how to create both, because I want you to get started immediately. And I'm gonna help you do that for no money. Stay tuned for part 2 when it is available. I will post it below. But part 1 today, we are talking about denim jackets. Okay, why else would I be having the fur all on? And this is one of my favorite denim jackets that I have on, and it don't even fit no more, y'all, but I'm not letting it go. To either have a denim jacket business or to add denim jackets to your existing business can be very expensive. If you're trying to order your products overseas, if you're getting samples and testing, it can cost a lot of money. So I definitely wanted to give you an option today to where you can make a lot of money. And I am going to show you how to do it on Printify today. One of my favorite print on demand companies, because it is very easy for you to get started immediately with no money. And that's not like, oh, we're gonna put a hold on your card kind of no money. You don't even need a credit card to sign up. What we're gonna do is log into Printify, and I'm just gonna type in denim because I wanna see all the possibilities. And what I love is this little cute denim hat. I love denim. My mama also loves denim, so I know she's gonna be in the comments trying to make her own custom denim jacket. So hey, mama. So the denim hat is very cute. You can put your design on there or create a design. Love that. They have this denim jacket that I love the wash of this too. A light wash is gonna give me every time with the gold buttons. So it's definitely quality, right? So you're not gonna miss out on any quality. You're not gonna give people anything cheap, and you're putting your own custom design on there. So I love that. This particular jacket, they have it available in blue, black, and white. So like I said earlier, you can either add this to your existing store if you have one, or if you have not started selling yet, you can just have a denim jacket brand. And yes, people do that because that is a whole niche. There are a ton of companies that specialize in just denim. So as you can see at the top, you can put it on the left chest, large back, right wrist, or left wrist. I'm just gonna do back to show you how this will look. And I'm gonna use my first design I ever used on Printify. And that is Thank God I'm Fly. All right, just so I can show you how to actually do this. I'm gonna upload my design, and you can also design on Canva totally for free and then upload it over here on Printify. You can create something with the text yourself and they will digitize it. So I love that you have so many options for how you can get started. So once we do that, we are going to save it, and then we have our mock-ups available. So our mock-ups, you can save these, you can put them on social media, and you can put these on your store. We have the jacket in white, the jacket in black, and the jacket in blue. And we did not pay $1, okay? We don't have $1 held on our cards. We haven't paid anything. And we have a whole premium brand that can take over for the fall, okay? So we got our jacket ready. What I also love about Printify is that they will help you with their AI, and the title, which is important, the description is already created for you. It's already populated for you. I like to go in and customize it a little bit more. So I'm gonna put Thank God I'm Fly, denim jacket. And then as you can see below, they also have a lot of text there too. Once you do that, you're going to set your price, and you want to pay attention to what your profit margin is going to be, meaning how much money you're going to make. Okay. What you see to the left, that price is what people are going to spend. You need to focus on how much you're going to make once they spend that. All right. After you do that, you're just going to publish. It's done. And you decide where you want to publish it to. A Printify pop-up store, you can have it up immediately. You can put this link in your Instagram bio on your Facebook, and people can start buying immediately. You can also sign up for Etsy, Shopify, Amazon, all of those directly through Printify right here. All right. They all have their own ways that you can sign up, but it is as easy as that to get started making a ton of money this fall, especially if you have been putting it off all year. If you've been saying, I'm going to start my brand, 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 and you haven't started, products like these that are already vetted, that people love, is a great way to jump in there. And again, there's no risk. You didn't have to go order a ton of inventory overseas. You didn't have to put up $10,000. You didn't have to do any of that. So you can play around with designs. You can play around with the type of jacket that you want to sell. You can play around with the denim hats. And you can ask your family and friends, which one do you like? Which one do you like? Different designs. Make some money, right? Make some money from your own creativity and talents. Because again, I got this. Somebody custom designed this for me. His own creativity and talent made him, I'm sure, 6-7 figures off of these jackets. Okay. 6-7 figures off of denim jackets that he just got the denim jacket, sold on some fur, and made a ton of money. And now I can't even fit it anymore. And I'm going to wear it for life. I may take the fur off and put on another denim jacket, but that's not for this video. The point I'm trying to make to you is that the gifts and ideas and talents that we have can make you a ton of money if you execute them. And so I wanted to show you somebody who I actually spent my money to support his gifts and talents, and you can do the same thing. And maybe one day you'll turn your business into something custom like this. But for today, I want you to start making money without having to spend it up front and see what's going to work for you. So get started. Check out the description link. It will be down below. It has my Printify link. It has my free t-shirt class. You can ask me your questions, what you want to know about denim jackets. Stay tuned for part 2, because I'm going to be talking about another one of my favorite products that I know for a fact is also making 6 figures. And once I post that one, it will also be in the description as well. I love you guys, and I will see you inside of part 2.